Here is the brake line hose clammed off that was going to the brake booster. And here we have the engine running. It doesn't sound too bad right now. I feel like I can still hear a leak back in here somewhere. I sprayed it all down, still can't find anything. It also revs and stays revved for a little bit, which is different from before. Still revving, shouldn't be, then dies down.